A Course in Miracles Workbook, Lesson 36. My holiness envelops everything I see. Today's idea extends the idea for yesterday from the perceiver to the perceived. You are holy because your mind is part of God's. And because you are holy, your sight must be holy as well. Quote, sinless means without sin. You cannot be without sin a little bit. You are sinless or not. If your mind is part of God's, you must be sinless, or a part of His mind would be sinful. Your sight is related to His holiness, not to your ego, and therefore not to your body. 4 3 to 5 minute practice periods are required for today. Try to distribute them fairly evenly and make the shorter applications frequently to protect your protection throughout the day. The longer practice periods should take this form. First, close your eyes and repeat the idea for today slowly, several times. Then open your eyes and look quite slowly about you, applying the idea specifically to whatever you note in your casual survey. Say, for example, my holiness envelops that rug. My holiness envelops that wall. My holiness envelops these fingers. Several times during these practice periods, close your eyes and repeat the idea to yourself. Then open your eyes and continue as before. Now, close your eyes and repeat the idea for today several times, slowly. My holiness envelops everything I see. My holiness envelops everything I see. My holiness envelops everything I see. Now open your eyes and look quite slowly about you and apply the idea specifically to whatever you note in your casual survey. For example, my holiness envelops that chair. My holiness envelops that body. My holiness envelops this pen. Let's do this for the next several minutes. Let's take a moment and close your eyes. Repeat the idea slowly. My holiness envelops everything I see. Open your eyes and continue on as before. Let's take another moment and close your eyes. Repeat, my holiness envelops everything I see. Open your eyes and continue on as before. Let's take one more moment to close our eyes and repeat, my holiness envelops everything I see. Open your eyes and continue on for the next 30 seconds or so. Okay. This concludes lesson 36. Revisit this lesson 3 more times today before the end of the day, and try to distribute them fairly evenly. For the shorter exercises throughout the day, make them frequent. For these, close your eyes and repeat the idea, my holiness envelops everything I see. And then look about you slowly and repeat it again. My holiness envelops everything I see. And then conclude one more repetition with your eyes closed. All applications should, of course, be made quite slowly, as effortlessly and unhurriedly as possible.